welcome to Sunday at the Wisconsin Fishing Expo. Really been a great day so far, and honestly, the crowd is really starting to come in. Not sure, people must have been busy on Saturday because we were full then too, but boy, for a Sunday, there's a lot of people here. With that, a lot of exciting stuff going on. There's seminars, there's speakers, but there's a lot of really great booths. And so we're here with the Sportsman's Repair Shop, and actually a lot of great stuff here, more than you might imagine. So tell us a little bit about yourself and what you have here.
Yeah, I'm Jim here with Sportsman's Repair, and a little bit about Sportsman's Repair Shop. We specialize in musky reel repair. We do about 4,000 fishing reels a year. We do rod repair. We repair guides, tips, extend handles, reel seats, and then trolling motors. So trolling motors electronics. We're service center for Dakota, service center for Garmin, certified installer for Garmin, and then specialize in installs, training on the water, and one more, we do Tradeins.
Oh, one of the things that's so important when you're dealing with electronics is to be working with somebody who has the true know-how of this technology, because although you can kind of just skirt into your boat and hope for the best, you know, there's a lot of setup, there's a lot of detail that goes into it, and so coming to a certified shop is something that's super important. So tell us a little bit about what's here on the table in front of us.
Yeah, a couple new things for this year on the Minn Kota world is the new Mega 360. It's on the Altera motor and the Ultrex motor, so built right in, safe and secure. You don't have to worry about external cables, external wires getting pinched, cut off. You got high quality Mega imaging.
All right in there. Awesome.
And then also new this year, Garmin Force trolling motor. Scissor style bracket, very easy to stow and deploy. Has a double cylinder, be able to sit nice. Built-in side and down imaging for your Garmin products. Brushless motor, run off a 24 or 36 volt system depending on what your boat has. You don't have to change the motor at all. And very cool product for this year. We'll be able to connect and work with all your Garmin products.
One of the other things that's important is knowing which of these products is right for you. And so again, coming to somebody who knows about these products, that's really important to help determine what is going to be best. And then you also have this bracket in the front, and that's pretty new as well.
Yeah, this is new this year. The demand showed us with ice fishing now, and the new Garmin Panoptic flag scope with Loran fly view. There's a lot of new products, and how can we connect it to our boat? How can we have it portable? How can we have it accessory? This is the new Track Tech live scope mount. It easily mount on your Track Tech rail system, on your lawn track system. Many different mounts available. You got your pull style, you can easily turn it, get your different views, and then you can easily take it off and remove it as well. Very nice, very simple technology. You can either tip it up in your boat as well. You can get it out of the way, get it out of the water, but it's nice and strong. It's built out of extruded milled aluminum. You don't have to worry about things damaging, breaking, or bending on the water.
That's awesome. And honestly, I've not really seen anything like that yet. So that's really, really great to use with your existing technology. One of the other great things about this booth is, like you were talking about, that you do trade-ins. So there's a whole bunch of stuff behind us. And if you are looking, right, coming into spring, maybe you're going to upgrade your boat or maybe just your electronics, this is the place to do it.
Yeah, and the trade-ins is a great thing because you want to get the latest and greatest technology. What do you do with your old stuff? You try to sell it online or on other different marketplaces, but now you can get rid of your product. We can take care of another individual by going through it. We certify, we go through it, make sure it's running the factory specs, and we sell it with a personal warranty. A lot of used products you buy, you can't get a warranty. So with us, we go through it, we stand behind it. We want to make sure if you're forced to upgrade because your old trolling motor lasted 20 years, you don't have the funds to get the new motor, you can get something new, get the newer technology.
That is a really awesome thing. The other thing is there's a lot of people who don't need to upgrade, who don't need new. You know, maybe what you already have you love, and that's okay too, because there's a lot of accessories here that some of them I didn't even know existed. So even just something really as simple as the wrap for these cords. You know, I know that there's been a time or two where my cord has gotten whatever happens, crazy things sometimes in your boat, and just having a cover like this is something that can really make a difference. And that's not even the only accessory that you have around.
Right. Yeah, the motor sock is something great. It goes on all electric steer motors, on your cable drives, Ultrex models. You're running transducer wires, things like that. You're not zip tying them, damaging the wires. You can get it nice and clean make it match your boat. They got 7 different colors available. Match your boat, match your talons off your back. Looks real nice and solves the purpose.
Awesome. That doesn't get better than that. So for people who can come down to the show, Wisconsin Fishing Expo, Lion Energy Center, there is a whole Sunday to come. For people who cannot be here, how do they find you?
They can find us on our Facebook page at Sportsman Prepare. We got a website, sportsmanprepare.com. We're located up in Mosinee, Wisconsin. We got a storefront. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Nights and weekends by appointment only.
Awesome. So hopefully we'll see you there, or we'll see you on the water.